going to install the roller blind. The control unit is on the right for reverse roll. And on the pin end, I'm going to turn this so that the pin moves inside the roller so that can fit in the bracket. This one on first, and then release the pin, and that's it. Make sure that works. Now I want to show you how to set the top stop limit. You might want this to go all the way up. You might want it to stop a little further down. So to do that, I'm going to take it out of the brackets, and you always want to be very careful that you don't unspring the spring that's on the inside. So you want to make sure that you keep that firm. I'm going to pull that out and then gently pull that off. There we go. That was good. And I'm going to unroll this. And if I wanted a longer top stop limit, just put it back in the brackets. And now when I roll it up and down, it's going to stop right there. Very easy. But I want it to go all the way up. So let's do it one more time. Carefully take it out of the bracket, roll it up, and then put it back. So that's how you adjust the top stop limit. Now what if I'm pulling this and it's not quite stopping? I might need a little more tension, right? Okay, so that is going to be on the adjuster wheel. There are arrows on the end of the wheel. You can't see them now because they're covered up. But for reverse mount, you're going to turn with this all the way up, this wheel a couple clicks. It only takes a couple clicks. And now it has better tension. And the reverse goes, if you have too much tension and you want to release the tension, you would turn the wheel the opposite way. And if this were a shade that's coming off the front of the roller, then this unit is going to be on this side. So you do the same process. It's just you're going to be turning it the opposite way. We reverse the brackets to show you how to install if it's a waterfall or off the front of the roller tube. And I'm going to put this in place. And then check the tension. And if it's too loose, I'm going to turn the adjuster wheel away from me towards the top, but it's actually, I think it's a little tight. So I'm going to raise the shade and turn the adjuster wheel down. And then that has a better tension. So now that this shade is installed, you can see how easy the system is to use. It's cord-free, it's beautiful, and I can make it look even better by putting on some of the end caps. And be sure to look at the other Vako videos to learn about all of the colors and the different types of end caps. I love these magnetic ones. That's a round profile, and this is going to be a square profile. And there's also screw bracket covers. So I'm going to raise the shade up and put those in place. And that also has a magnet. And that's done.